to explain the 15 marks answer for Karnataka University Computer Application subject for BCom 4th semester students. So myself Shrikant Betigari, Department of Computer, GFGC College, Haveri. So let us start an explanation. Today's concept about an Excel sheet. In Excel, we are going to discuss today an Home tab Clipboard group. So this is Home tab. Under Home tab, there is a Clipboard group consisting of cut, copy, paste, format, painter options. So in the format, painter, paste, so cut option, Control plus X, copy option, Control plus C, format, painter, paste option, Control plus V. So let us see the operation about cut, copy, paste. So I typed an name, that is Shrikant, stretched, change the font size, style, select the cell first, select the option copy, Control plus C. So here you want to paste anywhere in the Excel sheet in a different format. There are 6 different type of format are available under paste special. So here you can see, so either you can paste normally which you copied from the first cell to another cell. Paste option is there. Keep source formatting, use destination time, match formatting, values and numbers, keep source column, formatting only, link cells. So there are 6 type of pasting options. So you can cut and paste the data from one cell to another cell here. So I am going to selecting the cell data here. Select, cut, Control plus X. In the middle of the row, paste. See, the position is changed from the cell to cell. Okay. So the last option is format painter. Let us see the format painter. Here I am going to change the formatting of the data in the cell. Formatting means customizedly changing the style. Okay, select the format painter. Here I am applying a pasting option. 2 more are pasting. So let us see a format painter to applying all this data. Select format painter and drag on that particular data you want to change the format. So this is what a format painter option which is available under Clipboard group. For Clipboard group, you should write the notes for 5 marks or either sometimes 15 marks also they will ask. You just write the steps where you want to write in the examination. So you should follow the steps. Paste option, Control plus V. You should define neatly with a definition. Cut. This option is used to move or remove your data from one position to another document position. So like this, you should explain detailedly which is available the options in the Clipboard group with neat diagram. So this is the neat diagram here. So this is the notes here. You just follow and note down the points and write this much itself. Definitely you will get the marks in your examination. So the next is paste your data in different formats. In previously I told there are too many formats, means 6 type of formats are available, pasting format available. So here you can write and you can write the diagram In examination it is no need to necessary write. So only they will ask format painter clipboard group, only they will ask clipboard group. So you should write the diagram and neatly definitions, write neatly, take down the notes neatly, write down it and write in the examination. Good luck.